Hey guys, hey YouTube, welcome back. What's going on, guys? So today, a little bit unrelated to the last video I did was on car audio batteries and charging, which is related to car audio, which if you have a high-powered system or semi-high-powered system, you need an extra battery, you need to know how to charge it. Well, here's another thing that goes along with shaking and rattling your car and having a slightly bit older car. I have a little bit of rust spot here, so I'm gonna take the flake off. Got the flake off there. Got a little bit of flake right there. And I have a little bit of broken edge right here from all the rattling and everything. So I just noticed yesterday I had a leak. It didn't hit my sub, but it hit my box. And it wasn't a lot, but it was enough to alarm me that I have a leak in my car somewhere. So I'm going to take some Flex Shot today. I just got some Flex Shot. I'm going to put a light coat right around here and a light coat around here. And I'm going to put it over this chip spot for the paint here too. And I'll let everybody know how it works out in one of my other videos. But this video is just to show you how exactly I'm going to apply it, how it's going to work. I'll show you it after I finish the coating. I'm going to try to do it as fast as I can so the video is not super long. Alright. So here we go, guys. Hey guys, make sure you give me that thumbs up. Make sure you ring the bell down in the corner, subscribe to the channel. Now what I did was I got the Flex Shot. Let me see if I can see it in the camera here. Got the Flex Shot. And I cut a little teeny slit in the hole. I might cut it bigger. I got the razor in my pocket so I can do it on the fly. I cut a little teeny slit. It's already, I got the clear one, as you can see here, clear. So you won't even be able to see it on my tail light. Eventually I'm going to replace the tail light, but for now, Flex Shot is going to do the trick. So let's see what she does here. I'm going to go nice and slow. Nice, small. Even coat. Whoa. On the paint. Okay. It comes out pretty fast. So I'll show you, you'll be able to see it on the camera when I finish. Small little coat there. Coating here. I really like this Flex Shot. I was gonna get the Flex Spray, and it seemed like it was way too. You had a lot of overspray. So with the mirror here, I'm just gonna kind of coat it around it. Put some coating around it here. Comes out pretty thick. I think this stuff is pretty much the same price anywhere you get it. I got mine at Ace Hardware. It was $13.99. I think it's the same at Walmart or anywhere else you look. Alright, I'm going to get a napkin so I can just clean that up nice, because I'm a stickler about cleanliness and I don't want it to dry on my paint. Okay, and just stick that on the floor for now. guys, I don't know. I think this is gonna work. I honestly think it's gonna work. It's gonna solve the problem. Alright, let's clean up the tip a little bit. See, the tip got a little bit messy there, but that was my fault. Alright. Tip again. Okay. And like I said, I'm going to put some over the paint here. I'm hoping it'll prevent any more rust or anything there. Just a light coat on top of the paint there. Alright. That's good. Alright. Clean this up. Napkin around just to clean it up a little bit. Put one more thin layer across the top. And I'll show you guys what I did. And I'm hoping that this solves my problem. That up a little bit, and I'll show you guys what I did. I'm hoping that this does the trick. I didn't put any around the screw because I do want to replace this at some point. Let me just clean this off my hands. And guys, I used hand sanitizer, 70% alcohol, and it came right off my hands. So I'm guessing if you wanted to clean it off at any surface or anything, you could probably do it with your hands. So I went around that little teeny rust spot right there, as you can see. And I did a nice little even coating right across. Right across. Did that right there. I didn't cover the screw. I left the screw open, but I sealed around it. And then I sealed in this little area right here. I think that's actually where the leak was. So I'm hoping that this did the trick and we got it right. If not, we'll come back and we'll do it again, right? Alright guys, so make sure you give me that thumbs up. Oh, make sure you give me that thumbs up, guys. And down in the corner, as my son would say, ring the bell. Subscribe to the channel. Let me go over here to make sure you guys can see me or not. I don't know. Ring the bell. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.